Yes, here's a high-level overview of running the subtotal report in QuickBooks, and it's primarily for the unpaid bills by job report and to give you subtotals by vendor. Requirements are very simple. You need QuickBooks Desktop, US Edition for Windows, and it can either be QuickBooks Premier or Enterprise. From there, you want the contractor flavor installed. So if you have that, you would be eligible to run this report, and you'll need to download our template, and it's a one-time event. So once this is done, you'll be able to run this report as many times in the future as you want. So you'll download the template and save it to your hard drive. The next step is to come into QuickBooks and import the template. And so what you want to do inside of QuickBooks is come to the Memorize Report list. So I'll open that up. And we're going to create a new group here. It's called Subtotals by QSavings.biz. And so you'll just create a new group here. This will make it real easy to find. So you key punch the name in there, and in this example it's called Subtotals by QSavings.biz. And from there we just want to go ahead and import the report template, and that's in the lower left corner here. We're going to do import template, and you'll notice the extension here is QBR, and this is the file that you just downloaded from our secure server, and so you'll save this to your hard drive in a location you can find it. And we'll go ahead and open it, and you'll save that in that report group, Subtotals by QSavings.biz, and rename this report so it's standardized, and we'll hit OK, and it just imported it. You'll see this Subtotals by QSavings.biz number 3 in here, and from there you're ready to run the report, and just double click it, and there are a bunch of extra columns in here. You can ignore those. When you after we run the finished product here, you'll get a nice and tight report the way you're expecting. So what that looks like real quick, the finished report, just so you get a sense of it. I will close this. And so here's the finished report. As you can see, the report is much more useful. There are now subtotals in here by vendor, and they appear under each customer project, and that's about it. So I hope this gives you a rough idea of what the process looks like, and if you have any questions, please call 248-396-6955.